Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Welcome back to another edition of Talk About Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. When we have Leo here, sometimes he would teach us proverbs and idiom. 今天不能例外哦。
我今天要教的其实不算是谚语啦，它跟我们的客家的一个节日有关系。
哪一个节日？
就是天穿日、天穿年。
天穿年哦，其实那也即将就是过完年，好像正月20就要到了。
是的，是的。
Okay, so this is based on a day, a Memorial Day called A Hole in the Sky Day. 其实这个故事我有多多少少知道一点了，再跟我讲一次。
好，相传天是有4根大柱子来把它撑着的。
OK。
然后有一天呢，那个火神跟水神吵架啦，就把其中一根柱子给撞断了。但是你知道是哪一根吗？
哦，就东南西北其中一根，是北边的，
不是？
南边的，
也不对啊。你先想一下，太阳跟月亮都向哪一边沉下去呢？
西边咯。
是的。
No way. Okay. So based on a story where the gods had a fight in the sky, and the sky is held up by 4 different pillars in 4 different directions or different corners, north, south, east, and west. And they broke the one on the west side, and that's why the sun and the moon, they all set on the west side because that side is collapsing in a way. 然后呢，来补这个洞的人是另外一个
神叫做王娘娘。
王娘娘
就是女娲娘娘。
女娲娘娘。
而且这个女娲娘娘其实她的造型非常非常特别哦。她是一个很美丽的女神，但她有一条蛇的尾巴。
Oh, really? Okay, this goddess that saved the world to mend up that hole, actually, she has a snake tail. All right. 好了，讲了这么多，你没有跟我讲这个 slogan 是什么？
对啊，我讲那么多了。
这个 slogan 是什么呢？ What is this line all about?
这句话其实大家蛮常听到的，就是有穿冇穿，总爱撩天穿；有做冇做，撩到天穿高。
好像有听过。And let's hear the explanation in English.
Tian Chuan is a special day in the Hakka calendar, a time for singing songs, going to the temple, and eating tianban, a type of sticky rice cake. The festival is based on an ancient legend. The story goes that the god of fire and the god of water had a fight which knocked a big hole out of the sky. The god Niuwa patched up the hole, and so Tian Chuan is a time to be thankful and celebrate.
And now let's have Leo repeat this line again. It's not really an idiom, but more like a saying for the Hole in the Sky Day, and it's called
有穿冇穿，总爱撩天穿；有做冇做，撩到天穿高。
And there you have it, another great phrase in Hakka right here on Talk About Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.